LiveKernelEvent 141. Fix game crashing, black screen, and GPU driver reset on PC 2026. Warn. Step 1. Restart PC and check GPU connections. Fully restart your PC. Make sure the GPU is properly seated. Check that all GPU power cables are firmly connected. Make sure your monitor cable is connected directly to the GPU. Step 2. Clean install GPU driver. Download the latest stable NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU driver. Use DDU in safe mode to remove the current GPU driver. Restart your PC. Install the fresh GPU driver. Restart Windows after installation. Step 3. Remove GPU overclock. Open your GPU tuning software. Reset core clock and memory clock to default. Disable GPU undervolting temporarily. Restore custom voltage and power settings to default. Test the game again. Disable overlays. Disable Discord overlay. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Disable NVIDIA or AMD in-game overlay. Restart the game. Step 5. Change Windows power settings. Open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. Select High Performance if available. Open Advanced Power Settings. Check PCI Express Power Management Settings. Restart your PC. Step 6. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc scanow. Wait for the scan to finish. Then run ds online, cleanup image, restore health, restart your PC. Step 7. Verify game files. Open Steam, Epic Games, Xbox app, or your game launcher. Find the affected game. Select Verify or Repair Game Files. Wait for the process to complete. Launch the game again. At Step 8. Clear shader cache. Open Windows Settings. Go to System, Storage, Temporary Files. Remove DirectX shader cache. Clear the shader cache from your GPU software if available. Restart your PC. Step 9. Lower GPU load. Reduce graphics settings temporarily. Disable ray tracing. Disable frame generation. Reduce demanding texture settings if VRAM usage is high. Set an FPS limit. Test the game again. Step 10. Check Event Viewer. Press Win X and open Event Viewer. Go to Windows Logs System. Look for errors recorded at the same time as the crash. Check for display driver or GPU-related errors. Use these errors to identify the likely cause. Step 11. Rollback GPU driver. If LiveKernelEvent 141 started after a recent driver update, test an older stable driver. Remove the current driver with DDU. Install the previous stable driver. Restart Windows. Test the affected game again. Step 12. Check GPU temperature and hardware. Monitor GPU temperature while gaming. Make sure the GPU fans are working properly. Check for sudden temperature or clock speed spikes. If the error happens across multiple games, investigate GPU stability, PSU power delivery, RAM, and other hardware. And final check. Restart the PC after completing the fixes. Launch the affected game. Test for crashes, black screens, and GPU driver resets. If the problem continues in multiple games, hardware stability should be investigated.